Guys, let us understand what is session management today, how we can manage session, how we can track users in our application through Sublet. Okay, there are different ways, like we are having hidden form field, URL rewriting, and session HTTP session. And next is the cookies, right? So let us make one project now. So we'll click right and then say new dynamic web project. In the previous session, we understood how we can use Sublet context and send redirect, how we can do request dispatcher. So let us say Sublet with hidden form field, right? Session with Sublet with session using hidden field. Okay, like that. And then select here 2.4 and click next and finish it. Now you can just add the Sublet API.jar now. We'll go to here. This is the resource. We'll just say right click here and new. I can say package and I can use com dot example here. Finish it. We'll create two sublets now. So just click here sublet and I'll say hidden sublet. Okay. Next. I'll call this sublet by just say hidden something HID only. Okay, HIDD. Okay. Next. I'll have a do post only. Finish it. I'll make another sublet here, say new, and I will say sublet. I'll give a name here, second sublet. Okay. Next. Now do the URL pattern here. Say this will call by, consider this is second. Okay. And finish it. Okay, we are having two sublet. Now right click here and then say build path, configure build path, and say add external jar. So go to the Tomcat folder where you have installed the Tomcat. Then go to the lib and find the Sublet API.jar. Open it and then OK. So Sublet API jar has been added here now. Now we'll make one HTML file. So just say new HTML file and I'll give a name here index.html. Index.html. Okay. Finish it. Now in the index.html we'll have a one form now. Okay. So here we'll create form method equal to say post action equal to what, it will call the first sublet, that is the hidden, right, hidden sublet, and inside that I'll just have a one input type equal to say text here and name equal to say t1. Okay, here I'll say username, right, and then I'll make a one button input type equal to submit. Okay, and say value equal to login. I can have the login button here. I'm just saying username only. Once I click on this button, it will go to the hidden sublet, right? If you go to the babe.xml, We got the mapping here that this is a hidden, right? HIDD will call what sublet? Hidden sublet. This is my hidden sublet. In turn, it will call this sublet. If I call the sec, it will call the second sublet here, right? Okay, so come to here now, and in the hidden sublet, we'll go to the do post, and here we'll write one statement that request dot get parameter. What parameter? I given name t1, right? You can see the my form here. Here I have a name t1, so I'm looking for request dot get parameter t1. It will come to string here str1 equal to, and okay, right. Let us obtain the print writer object now. Print writer out equal to response dot get writer. Okay, import this class, control a space bar, right. Now we'll make one again form here. Here I'll say odd dot print line, and here I say open form action equal to method equal to get. Okay, see what I did here. Here I will say action second, so it will call the second sublet. We are using double quotes in between the double quotes, so you have to use this slash symbol. Okay, so now it is perfect. Now again I can write here out dot print line. Okay, and here I say so my form and to fill form close. Okay, here I will say input type equal to hidden, name equal to same I can give here. Let us say I give here t2, and value equal to whatever the value they will enter here, right. So here we'll use the plus symbol here, and I'll say str1. So we are making a hidden field here, and we are storing the value in that hidden field. But once the page will render to the browser, this field will not display. It is having a value in a hidden form, but once I click the button, this guy second sublet can look for this t2 and get this str1 value. I mean the username, right? And here I'll just say input type equal to submit. Okay, and then value equal to just say click. Okay, click here like that. This is not required, and I want to give one message here or dot print line. Okay, here I'll say click the button. Okay, so we have made this one now. Now I'll go to the second sublet, save this sublet now. We'll go to the second sublet. On the second sublet, we will use the get, because here I have written method get. So here I'll write do get and I paste it. So here what we are doing, request.get parameter T2. Now this guy can look for T2. So T2 is having the value in the hidden field, right? str1. So it will come to here in str1. Now I can print the message or dot print line, and I can say welcome plus str1, right? I'll say str2 here. Here I'll make str2 if you're confusing. Done. So we have done the whole coding now. Now what we have to do, we have to start the server now. Okay. Or just say right click here, right click, run as, run on server. Say next and finish it. It will start the server, and it is the first page, the index page is coming, username. Let us I enter here Tom and I say login. What happened? It is one button is coming, a message coming, click button. So this sublet has been hit here now. So it is just getting request and making one form. But this line is not displaying, right? Only I'm getting the button here. You can see the output. I'm getting the button. But once I click, it will call the second sublet, and second sublet can look for the value. See the message coming, welcome Tom. I have not given the space here, so it is like that. Okay. So this is what tracking uses in the form of hidden field. Okay. So that's all about understanding the hidden form field in the session management.